Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a like-new 2018 Chevy Sonic LT, stock number Z8848A. Only 7,000 miles on this local trade. We sold this Sonic brand new, Mosaic Black Metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, and Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5, cloth interior. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera. Nice size trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And of course, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges, again only 7,000 miles, with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Sonic has a 1.8 liter, 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average 25 miles to the gallon and a city average of 34 on the highway. And again, only 7,000 miles on those tires. For more information on this Sonic, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.